Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Noticed I'm clean shaven today. Well, I decided to change things up a little bit and to shave off my beard and have the clean look for the holidays. What do you think? Does make me look entirely different, that's for sure. So last night, about 10 o'clock last night, I ordered a new water pressure regulator for the RV, and they shipped it overnight to the park free of charge. This is with Amazon Prime. I have Prime. And 8:30 this morning I went outside and I saw the package sitting right there. I was like, wow, awesome. So we got a new water regulator. So let's take a look, see here. So there we go, water pressure regulator. I said I ordered it last night. It was here first thing this morning, which was cool. RVguard. And of course, with all the specials going on, I got 13% off. Whew. It's well packaged in there. Not that easy to get out. All right, so there you go. It is adjustable, and according to online there in the description, it says that these are preset at the factory to 45 psi. So we'll see how that is. So cool. Having something like this is way better than the fixed water pressure regulators. And as you saw in that one video, the one regulator failed, and we were popping or leaking hoses everywhere. And then I had this, and I've been using this for a while, and it's see, there's a diaphragm in there, which as you put more pressure against the diaphragm, the hole in the diaphragm becomes smaller, adjusting the pressure down. Problem with this is it also reduces the flow rate, and our flow rate has been really poor, and there's, like I said, nothing you can do with it. This is one of the better ones. I've had the plastic ones also, but same thing. It's a diaphragm in there, and tends to restrict the flow, so water flow has been kind of low, and Kathy's been kind of complaining about it. So I got a new adjustable pressure regulator, and we'll put it on and see how it does. All right, so we have it on there. It's all brass, and the pressure out of the box is like 46 psi. So they did say, right, out of the factory, it would be already pre-adjusted to 45. So that's pretty darn close. And this is by RVguard, by the way. All right, so the adjustment is real easy. Nice size screw head. The last one that I had that was adjustable, the screw head was kind of small and a pain. But it shows you here to rotate clockwise, that increases the pressure, and to decrease the pressure counterclockwise to the negative. It's marked plus and minus there. Okay, so that worked out pretty good. The pressure regulator is working just fine, and I have it set at around 45 psi, so that should be good. So no worries there. So being around Christmas time, stores like Walmart and that are just mob suit, way too busy. I don't want to deal with it. Today is what, December 13th, so we're 12 days away from Christmas, and I don't want to deal with the hassle of Walmart. So I signed up for the Walmart Plus. They are offering a 30-day free trial, so I figured, hey, let me take advantage of it. And you get free deliveries with the Walmart Plus, but you do need to tip the driver because they're using third-party drivers like Uber and that to make the deliveries to the house. But since I'm on the free trial, 30-day free trial, they will give me $10 in Walmart cash back for trying the delivery service. So I'm using that money to tip the driver. So I already included the tip when I ordered the stuff, but it's great. Go into my shopping cart and we put in all the things that we want, and we can do that over a couple days, and then we got the whole shopping list together. I can just schedule an appointment for a delivery, or the next time I think we'll just do pickups. So you can schedule time for pickup, you can schedule time for delivery, whichever way you're going to go. If you're having it delivered, you can add a tip right in there on the shopping cart when you go to check out. So this is our first time using it, but we'll see how it goes. Meanwhile, you get free shipping on everything also, and Paramount Plus. You get the basic Paramount upgrade, and you get special deals too here and there. So we're going to, like I said, we're just checking it out. If I do continue on with the program, it's going to be where we just order the stuff online and then go pick it up and not have to deal with shopping through the store. It does save us on impulse buying because we have a tendency to do a lot of that. We'll cut down on the impulse buying, and maybe bottom line is it will save us a lot of money in the long run. We'll see. So because we end up only getting just what we need. All right, so I just got notified that my Walmart delivery is on its way and will be here in just a few minutes, 10 minutes. So awesome. So we're going to see how this program works out. And I think they're here. Yeah, that's good. That's everything?
Yes, that's everything.
Okay, cool.
Merry Christmas.
All right, same to you. Walmart Plus worked out perfectly, so that's great. So I think I will use that again in the future. So I may end up keeping the Walmart Plus program. We'll see. We'll see. Christmas is not over yet for us. I have more stuff coming. Next item to arrive is a 2500 watt pure sine wave inverter. So we're going up 1,000 watts from what we had before. Since I have a 400 amp hour battery bank, I figured that we could go ahead and use more power. So the inverter should be here tomorrow. And then so we'll replace the 1500 watt inverter. Then I've had that for 5 years now, and it's worked perfectly in that time. But by upgrading to this other inverter, we can use more of the appliances. We couldn't quite run the microwave earlier, so the microwave would cause it to go into an alarm state. So we just need that little extra. So we've got 1,000 watts more. So 2,500 watts will be here tomorrow, and I'll do a review on that. So that about does it for today. I do have more product reviews coming up, so like real soon. So I got one device that's pretty interesting that I've been using for a couple weeks, and I'm going to give you a review on that. So stay tuned. All right, so until next time, happy camping. Bye now.
Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.